Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel today. I hope you enjoy this video. This is my very first complete 2009 album. Like, I went through all the pictures I've had and I grouped them by year, and this is the complete 2009 album. And I have a little candle holder up here. That's only because if I didn't, this glare would be right there, so it's kind of helping a little bit. I know it's not like the best. I just wanted to do a flip through. So there's a lot of layouts that I've been working on, but I don't have time. I do them on my own time. Usually after work I don't film as often, or I don't film all of them because it's just a long process. So I just wanted to show you guys my layouts that I've completed. Some of them are older. I will tell you which ones are older. I'm sure you'll be able to tell the difference, because the more you do this, the better you will improve. And I feel like there's a big difference from when I started to where I am now. And remember, like, I started in like 2002, so a lot of products and materials and supplies have improved in the crafty world from, you know, like 12 years ago. Well, more than 12 years ago. Okay, so I'm gonna try to move the album over here a little bit off so that you guys can see the full pages. I started off this year with Mike playing soccer. And then you guys saw this, that we worked through this in a video. And then the pocket page. Adriana being a goofball. I was washing her in the kitchen sink. I think every parent has done that. And then here's Adriana enjoying homemade blueberry pancakes. A disaster of a mess. The kids, their very first introduction to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. This is little Mike getting his first stripe, and this is all like the stars they kept back then. He has a lot of stars down here. Just a pocket page, a few. Look at Adriana. She couldn't even walk, but was in there crawling on the mats. And there's Michael with Adriana. And then here she is again trying to stand up. You guys have just seen this video. It's one of my recent videos of the Bliss collection. That was for this year as well. I think these came out really cute. Went in, I completed my journaling. I mean, this year is completely done. I'm so proud of myself. You guys have seen these maybe in the back of my flips. Just added the pocket page because I hadn't done that. So more of that. This was a fair. And then here's this little layout of Mike and Adriana. Well, not really Mike sleeping, but just Adriana sleeping so peacefully. And then you guys, remember when Rock Band used to be really popular? Well, that was in 2009. And we had the guitar, the drums. Adriana was the microphone. She just used to say that letter A nonstop. And so I just had a few pictures of that. And then look at our young dog, Cholo, how young he was too. Made that, and that's him sleeping with Adriana. A little pocket page I created. This is the first time I did this one that's see-through. I don't know how I feel about it being this way on the back. I don't know. I mean, I like it. It came out okay. I'm okay. It's just that I wish I had something to kind of cover, but at the same time, like, make it like a double, same image in the front as in the back. Here's a picture of Adriana. Guys, I've been doing the theme Halloween for a long time. Little Mike was Darth Vader. Adriana was Yoda. And at this time, me and Daddy weren't into the dressing up. I mean, I kind of thought it was cool. I just didn't put too much emphasis into it. But I've always done a theme of them together. So it started this year because, of course, I was pregnant in 2008. So, and see, this is one of my older layouts. This is Adriana's first birthday. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like I'm gonna redo the page because I don't really like it. But at the same time, it's like, okay, it's decent enough to just leave it. So I just added the cover of her birthday card that Grandma and Grandpa sent for her first birthday, pictures of us, and then like the little princess cake and the lady that used to care for her along with the other kids in the child care. And it just says happy birthday. But this is like one of my older layouts, so it's not like super fancy. You guys have seen this layout. Remember, I had Adriana with her Pokemon on this picture, but guess what? When I was sorting through my pictures, I found even more of her throwing a fit. So I had to group them together. I didn't want to separate them. So if you see, like, I've added a few, like this picture here, but I've also added like a few more pictures, which is like I said, because as I was organizing my pictures, I noticed that I had some of this day that were like scattered in a different location. So I had to change it around, still kept the same concept, just added those additional pictures there. Just a sweet little picture here of Michael and Adriana. This is little Mike playing t-ball, and Michael was the coach, the main coach for that. And just look at Adriana, how chubby and cute she was. Again, Miss Angela, she's the lady that cared for them, and Miss Catherine and Miss Angela cared for them. This is her daughter, and she was on the same little baseball team. And she cared for them when Mike and I were working. So this is the ceremony where they presented like the little trophies to each kid and the coach as well. This is our Christmas picture for the year. Just like I said, I've finally gone through, journaled everything. I did this vintage look. And then here's some snow pictures of our trip to Ohio. It's just like a one page. That's it. I don't know why I didn't have any other ones. And then this is the end of the year. I always know it's the end of the year because Mike's birthday is on the 31st. So New Year's Eve. And we always make sure we do something. This was his 5th birthday. And we ended up taking him to the Kids Museum here in South Carolina, which is still part of this. I added this picture because this one would have stayed like empty on this side, so I had to add a layout to this one. So I just decided to add this one of him. But here is the same day as his birthday. This is at a kids museum. Again, it's the same day as this, but this is like a firefighter section because they had like a little station where the little kids get to dress up as a fireman, and then they go down the tube, and then they go on the truck, and they do all this. And who would have known that 6 years later Mike would become a fireman? So I just thought it deserved its own little layout, and that's why I added this by itself. And then to finish the album, which honestly I should probably put something here, but I don't have any more pictures for 2009. Maybe I could just put in a plain 12 by 12 with line letters and journal this whole year, you know, like to end it. That would be a good way to end the album. But this is the last layout of Adriana, Bring on the Sunshine. So adorable. And that's gonna complete, you guys. I am like officially done with my first album. Yay! Celebration. I need to throw myself a part of your party. Okay, so I want to show you guys this cute little bag I have. I'm gonna lay it down. It says baby on board, and it's just a good durable bag. I know that you guys can barely see it. I got it at Home Goods, and this is going to my husband's captain's wife, because their baby was supposed to be born tomorrow, but of course she came early. So I didn't want to give it until I finished the album. So I know that you guys don't always see everything that I'm doing. Usually I'm like crafting on the like off camera, because I really do this as like my craft, my hobby. So just an empty bag that I've put together. It comes with a little, like a little smaller zipper bag. I'm not sure if this is maybe like to go somewhere, to pack, you know, like a quick to go bag. So I got this bag, like I said, from Home Goods, and then I filled it up with just a cute little soft pink blanket, a little package of swaddle blankets, a little pink and gray elephant that Adriana picked out for the baby. And then I have the baby album that I have put together. This is from Heidi Swap. I was gonna just pull it, but I realized I have it wrapped all around. And I'm gonna show you the layouts that I created. Now the layouts are empty. Let me zoom you guys in. The layouts are empty because of course they're gonna add their own pictures. So I started off with, this is an 8x8, this layout right here. I ended up using the collection by, oh gosh, this is gonna kill me. I'm gonna put it in the description below. I want to say it's Oh Baby by Echo Park. No, it's by Photoplay, but I don't know the name. So I'll add that in the description in case you're interested. But just this little layout. So I did a basic 8x8, and then I added these little 4 pocket page protectors throughout the book. So it's a full page, 4 of the little 4x4s, a full page, and then another 4x4, and that's throughout the album. So this one's the first one. Here's the first of the 4. So of course pictures go in the empty spots. Pictures in the empty spots. This layout right here. This one right here. Pictures here. I know it kind of looks odd. This one right here. It says Baby So Perfect. This one here. These 2 right here. These 2 right here. These right here. I decided to make a change here because I found myself doing opposite pictures all the time. So this one's a 3 picture page, but I'm sure she could do whatever she wants. It's her album, of course. And then this is the final one. So that's we're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna wrap it back up, and that's basically it, you guys. I just wanted, like I said, show you the flip through because one, I'm so happy I finally finished a complete album. It's like my only complete album, and I still have like 10 years to go, so it's only a celebration for today. And then I gotta get back to work on the other ones, of course. And then I wanted to show you like this really cute and simple idea for the baby album. It's always super nice to me whenever we're doing like firefighter functions and stuff like that for families and stuff. She comes and speaks to me and says hello and stuff. And so it's just my way of returning her kindness. So hopefully she appreciates it. I'm sure she will. Like I said, it's their first baby and it's a baby girl. So I know that she's super excited. So that's going to complete that. I know I like showing it to you guys, but there you go. That's like what it looks like. I should put like paper in there, but that's okay. I'm just going to give it to Michael so that he could take it. So off camera, I am also going to be working on my brother-in-law and sisters-in-law album. I chose to do it 8.5 by 11-inch album. This is again from Heidi Swap, and this is Tell Your Story. So I am going to be doing like a wedding theme for them so that they're able to just, you know, like obviously they're gonna have pictures of their wedding, so they could just capture their memories and put them in here as well. So maybe you are not gonna see the full layouts on this album, but you will see like a flip through before I give it away, pack it up and give it to them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these flip throughs, gave you some quick ideas or some gift ideas, and we will see you soon. Thank you so much for all the support. Bye.